What if your hard-earned money was actually losing value every single day? Millions are now realizing this harsh truth, moving beyond traditional savings accounts. The old way of keeping money in the bank is quickly becoming a thing of the past. People are actively shifting their cash, looking for better financial opportunities. They are moving their funds from simple savings directly into various investments. This strategic move is a direct response to the persistent threat of inflation. Saving alone no longer guarantees the growth or even preservation of your wealth. Inflation erodes purchasing power, making your static savings worth less over time. Investors seek to outpace inflation, ensuring their money works harder for them. They are building a more secure financial future through smart investment choices. Join the millions who are actively taking control of their financial destiny today. It's time to explore how investing can transform your financial landscape permanently.